So we have 64 raised to the power the square root of x plus 1 equals 8. And we're supposed to find the value of x. Let me show you how to solve this question in a very simple way. Solution. So we have 64 raised to the power the root of x plus 1 equals 8. Okay, let us rewrite 64 for it to have the base 8, so that the bases on the left and the right hand side are equal. 64 we know is the same thing as 8 squared. Okay, so now we have 8 raised to the power 2 root of x plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is the same thing as 8 raised to the power 1. So now we can see that we have the same base, therefore we can equate the exponents. So now we have 2 root of x plus 1 equals 1. Now to get rid of the square root, we need to square both sides. So if we square both sides, this is what we have. So we have 2 squared times the root of x plus 1 all squared equals 1 squared. So now we have 4. This 2 will cancel the square root times x plus 1 equals 1 squared is the same thing as 1. Okay, so now we need to open up the bracket. So 4 multiplies x gives us 4x, and then 4 multiplies 1, positive 1, will give us positive 4 equals 1. Now, since we're looking for the variable x, we need to get rid of the number 4. And to do that, we need to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. So now we have 4x plus 4 minus 4 equals 1 minus 4. Perfect. So now plus 4 minus 4 will give us 0. So here we have 4x is equal to positive 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3. So now to find the variable x, we need to divide both sides by 4. This 4 cancels there. So we have our x to be minus 3 over 4. Now this is the final answer to our question. But now let us go ahead and verify to confirm that this answer is correct. So if we recall, we have 64 raised to the power the square root of x plus 1 equals 8. So now we're going to try to prove that 64 raised to the power the square root of x plus 1 is equal to 8. So now x is minus 3 over 4. So wherever we find x on the left hand side, we replace it with minus 3 over 4. Okay, so now we have 64 raised to the power the square root of minus 3 over 4 plus 1 equals, is that equal to 8? Now minus 3 over 4 plus 1 is what? 1 times minus 3 is minus 3 plus 1 and 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 3 plus 4 gives us 1 over 4. So minus 3 over 4 plus 1 is 1 over 4. So we have 64 raised to the power the square root of 1 over 4. Is that equal to 8? That's what we're trying to figure out. So this is the same thing as 64 raised to the power of root of 1 divided by root of 4. And we can as well rewrite 64 as 8 raised to the power 2. Now times root of 1 divided by root of 4. Okay, so we have 8 raised to the power 2 times root of 1 is the same thing as 1, and then the square root of 4 is 2. 2 cancels 2, so we have 8 raised to the power 1 equals 8 raised to the power 1. Therefore, we see that our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is minus 3 over 4, is the correct answer to this problem. So if you enjoyed this solution, make sure that you like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel so that when videos like this drop, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.